Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to track trades channel analytics. So that's actually is possible on um, your account, even if it's not a professional account. So the option of turning your account on trades into professional is not available also, so everyone and everybody can go into his channel analytics. So let's go into trades, and after that I want you to head over into your profile in the bottom right corner right here, tap on it. Alright, so right here, as you can see, we want to go into insights, and the insights icon is that one. So once you tap on it, yeah, you will have the access to your analytics. I don't have that access because my content, as you can see, it says you can learn more about who's viewed your content when you have at least 100 followers. So I don't have 100 followers on this account, and yeah, if each analytic or each aspect, either views, interactions, or followers, you must have at least 100 follower. So if you have that condition, you will be able to get into or through your channel analytics. Anyways, this is how you can, or how to track trades channel analytics. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.